Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add token on Phantom Wallet using contract address. By the way, you can do the exact same steps on your phone. Okay, so first thing, you just need to download the Phantom extension here. After that, you want to click on it. Okay, so like I said, you can just do the exact same steps on your phone. After that, you want to click here on receive. Okay, so you just need to select here the blockchain or like currency here. I'm going to go with Solana. Just click on it and you want to click on copy. See, this is like your Solana address. It can be used like to receive compatible tokens, as you can see. Okay, just need to click on copy and you want to go to the account, the other account which you want to transfer from, and you want to click on send. Okay, so again, you want to go and select Solana here and you just need to enter here the address that you have copied from the account, and here you want to add here the amount that you want to receive. And after that, you want to click on next and just follow the steps, and then you will be able to add tokens on Phantom Wallet. Now that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next video. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone.